Okay, I'm not a big fan of SEO plugins, but I saw a lot of hype about Rank Math. That's why I went and bought Rank Math Pro version, and I can talk about it in the channel. And I can, if it is good, if it is that good, I can use it for my personal websites as well. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And if you like to learn about SEO, intent marketing, so niche website, do not forget to subscribe to the channel as well. So let's go to the screen. I will show you what it looks like and what I think, what is my first impression. This is one of my newest website. So I install Rank Math. Where is Rank Math? Okay, here it is. And you can see there are so many options. Analytics, right? It's green. Let's just go to dashboard. I switch on that feature before. Okay, now it's switch off. Anyway, so here is the dashboard. There are so many features, right? And SEO analysis, sitemap, that is a normal feature. Okay, let's go on analytics. This is where Rank Math has some problems. So I will move my face top of the screen because I think that's much better, right? Okay, like this. If I do like this, okay. So unfortunately, I don't see my data. I have connected Google Analytics, Google Webmaster Tools. This tool, so Rank Math, supposed to bring data from Google Webmaster and Google Analytics. There is no search impressions, there is no average position, total keyword, but traffic I can see 30 days. By the way, this website doesn't have much content. This is one of the newest website, like I told you before. If I put it 90 days, so normally there is a circle here. I have seen it on the Rank Math website, right? And all keywords, there are no keywords. By the way, I installed Rank Math on this website like 1.5 days ago, I think. Yeah, more than 1.5, maybe 2 days ago. Okay, yeah, around 2 days ago I installed. I also try to fix this problem, why Rank Math doesn't bring those data to this dashboard, right? But unfortunately it didn't work, surprisingly, right? Let's go to Rank Math. So much applications running. So something like this, right? You can a little bit make bigger. So normally it has to be like this, right? There is this overall optimization status: good, fair, poor, no data, right? And search impressions, total keywords, and CTR, and so much stuff, right? I mean, I was excited to buy this, but my dashboard doesn't show you anything like that, right? So site analytics, I don't like to complain because it's not my thing. So that's why I tried to fix this by myself, right? But that surprises me. Search traffic, you can see keywords. I think this uh, rank math supposed to bring this data to here, right? Search impression, it's like blank. I actually um, deactivate and activate few times and reconnected and disconnected Google services, not Google services, like Google connection, right? To get this data to rank math. I did all the stuff, but seems like nothing is working, surprisingly. And there are so many things. So title, sitemaps. I mean, there are so many things if they are working 100% correctly or properly, right? So there is this tab called SEO analysis. Okay, so that says 83 SEO score. And sorry, I cannot go down of this page. And there are some features and there are some options. Rank Math tells you that what you have to optimize, and H1 tags and these typical stuff like CSS file. It's too much script is running and blah blah blah, and not, I mean, not great stuff, like normal stuff, right? And other thing is, I didn't see a fail test. I would like to know what failed, right? So 7 out of 30 failed, but I don't know what failed, right? And yeah, it's kind of if I tell you the truth, tell you what, I'm not a big fan of SEO plugins. I used Yoast all the time because I would like to write my own titles. Yeah, we need to write, right? We need to write our meta description, titles, and stuff, right? That's why I used Yoast all the time, right? Not to, I didn't follow what Yoast is saying all the time. I don't care. I do care about the title and meta description, but guess what? Google takes some content like randomly with the Google AI, right, from the page. So he takes what he wants as meta data, which is you know. So yeah, I'm not actually 100% happy with this. I'm thinking to get a refund. Okay, and analytics. So I go back to analytics. Wow, she's so slow. Come on. Should have close all these big tabs. And before they gave like 1,000 keywords. Now it's like half of the amount. Now it's like 500, right? And do we have to add our keywords? Because there is another keywords tab. Keywords tab. I think rank math, right? Yeah, rank math supposed to bring this data, right? That's why I was waiting for like 2 days. I thought, okay, maybe it will take some times and crawl all this data. It takes, you know, that's okay, right? But unfortunately, it's not. Hopefully, they will improve their features. Otherwise, I will get my money back because this is not what I expected, right? There are so many features, right? But these features do not work 100%. Okay, so now I'm on my Nimantadice website because I also install Rank Math on my personal website. It is it is targeting local searches, which is in Sri Lanka, but I live in Germany, and yeah, and I don't know how well Divi Rank Math works with Divi Builder because I saw Rank Math really works with Elementor, right? But I'm a big fan of Divi Builder. I'm using it since so long time now. I have the lifetime package. So when you go down of the page, why it is coming like this? Okay, let's say close editor, right? Let's say I will, let's say this, that keyword wasn't there, right? So what I like about rank math, so my first impression, so when you type keywords, you can see the suggestions coming like from Google, right? Specialist, right? Specialist. Okay, so this is my main keyword. I am ranking as number one since maybe 5 years or something like this. Many keywords I'm ranking. Okay, so this is cool, right? So we can just type it, and you can edit in a snippet, right? Metadata, and it shows you the desktop version and the mobile version, right? So you can optimize like Yoast. So there is advanced tab, index, no index, no follow, no index, right? And you can just if you want, you can just redirect this page. If you, I don't know why it is there, but let's say if you're trying to delete the page or you're making a new page, you can just make the redirection from here, right? And schema, this is also interesting. Let's say preview, so you can see the code, and you can even test with Google. Then it opens with Google. You can test the code, right? I'm not gonna do that. It works well. Let me delete. My machine is so slow. I don't know what is wrong today. And social tab as well, right? I never used rank math free version. Okay, so I don't know whether these options are, I think these kind of little bit basic options, right? And what I noticed, let me, wow, machine is pretty slow. Go to general, Sri Lanka. So you can mark this as a pillar content. And where is that? Okay, focus for keyword in found in content. Okay, this wasn't working before, I remember. And then focus keyword and these stuff you can follow, you know. So great, you are linking to external resources. So that means, yeah, so rank math can scan your code, doesn't matter whether you're using Divi Builder. So your title doesn't contain positive or negative sentiment word, so it gives you resources. That is also helpful. right? So you can see there are some resources, So content readability, use table of content, break you down your text. It works. I mean, it's okay if you do like an article type of content, right? But this is like a not article type content. This page, to be honest. So URL is shorter, right? So more shorter your URL is, that's much better, right? Google like it. So Google likes that for sure. So these are the options, and here in this tab you can check some keywords. So I just check those keywords, and then it gives you the trend, right? So interest, right? If people are searching interest 0, and then here 48. So I think, which one was that? Okay, let me untick this stuff. SEO. So it is loading, right? So these are the interest, right? I mean, not bad, I'm not complaining, but they need to improve it. Otherwise, it's not good for the business. Users will refund money for sure otherwise, because people pay it. Even I, like, my first impression is like, come on, it's not working well. What's wrong? I even try to fix it by myself. Yeah, so I will do another video, I mean few videos about it, as I'm really new to rank math. Yeah, so that's it. That's what rank math pro looks like, right? I don't know, they have to improve obviously these data fetching from Google, so analytics and webmaster tools as well, because it is not working, you saw, and I try to fix it by myself as well. But I'm gonna send a ticket, I'm gonna open a ticket to the support, and we'll see what they have to say, and then I will try to fix it with the instruction if they are giving any instructions, right? Because I saw the same issue. I did some researches on YouTube and Google as well, so many people have this problem, and yeah, hopefully it will work. And if it is that good, I will keep rank math and use it. So why not? Because I like some features. If this analytics works, and I would like to see my keywords, and it's kind of like a give you a summary, right? That's why. So if everything works, I will keep it. Otherwise, I will go for a refund. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate that. And if you like to learn about SEO, internet marketing, niche website, do not forget to subscribe to the channel as well. So see you in the next video.